Okay guys, so the first thing I did was the two picture frame 8 by 10 and another picture frame 5 by 7, and I got it with a nice gold edges. If you don't like the gold, you go with the spray painted another color. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's doable. So what I'm gonna do next is take these apart, take this, the inside, because we don't need it, and I don't need that, and I'm not gonna need that. What I took was a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside in the middle, and then I'm gonna put this white edges back in there. So I'm gonna put it like that, and then I'm just gonna close it normally, and it's gonna leave me with the blue inside. For this one, I'm not gonna do the same. For this one, I'm just gonna take these things out, and I am going to take these things out. They come out pretty simple, just bend it. I keep bending it and they just come. What am I gonna do next? I'm just gonna go ahead, after I take the thing out, I'm just gonna go ahead and put glue in there. And I'm gonna go ahead, try to do it as fast as you can because we all know the glue dries up very quickly. And I'm gonna attach the middle mirror to there so it won't fall. So that's that. So after I did that, what I did was I took a wine glass, and then I made this cute little mermaid. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip it around, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the hot glue in the head, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside and attach it there. So when I flip it, it gives me a cute little hanging mermaid. So after I do that, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna glue it there. I'm gonna glue it there. What I'm gonna do next is put my hot glue in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it's in the middle. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it there. Okay, perfect. So that's what's gonna go right here. And then after I'm there, I got this cute star at Dollar Tree. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and put some glue, some hot glue, and attach it right. Wait, I gotta make sure it's in the middle. Right there. Perfect. Before you attach the whole thing, I forgot to attach my this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it now. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue in here like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the middle like that. Perfect. And I'm just gonna go and do this all around it. So after I put all the lines in both spots, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take one of those beads that I sell at the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna cut it, and then I'm just gonna put a little hot glue there, and I'm gonna put it right there. And then next I bought this, I think it was in Dollar Tree or Walmart. It brings a whole pack. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue at the bottom, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right behind it. Like that. I am gonna put more glue because I don't want it to fall apart, so it could hold it very good. Perfect. Just let it dry right there. So after it dries up, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue in the back. Okay guys, so if you guys don't find this star at Dollar Tree, they also have these stars that comes in this little packet, and it was red. I just spray painted. You could just get a candle holder and put it and stick it there, and it would be the exact same thing. If you guys can find that in the Dollar Tree aisle. Now what I did was I did a few little stars, and I'm gonna just attach the star. I took like 4 little balls from the beads, and I attach it to the star, and I'm gonna just attach a one to each corner like that.